I woke up today and decided I wanted to do my makeup and my hair. So I'm gonna do a little tutorial, I guess. I don't really know how I want to do my makeup. When I plan for it, I feel like it doesn't turn out as good. These are the moisturizer, or not. These are the primers that I use. This is from Dollar Tree. It's like the e.l.f. Grip or whatever dupe. And then the Laura Geller. Oh my god, why can't I talk? Laura Geller spackle primer. Read that video I made that was like, oh, if you're like a married man, you shouldn't have like girlfriends or whatever. Remember like the exact, why is this not coming out? Whatever. I can't remember like my exact wording, but it was like something like that. Okay, well, the friend that I was talking about in that fucking video, I haven't talked to him since fucking I don't know when. And this motherfucker messages me this morning. I miss you. Yeah, I know. Because I wasn't a bad friend. You made it weird. And then I stopped being your friend. Like, I don't even know what to say. I haven't replied because I'm like, what? Like, you were the one that got all fucking butthurt because I didn't want to be your fucking friend anymore because you made it weird. Removed me. He, like, unfollowed me and, like, removed me from Instagram. Like, you're a girl. You're a girlfriend. You're not a guy friend. You're a girlfriend. Because you're acting very girly. Like, what do you want me to say to that? I miss you too. I'm so sorry our friendship ended because you were fucking weird. Because I'm not going to do that. I probably won't even fucking reply. Like, what? I don't know. Oh, and I'm pretty sure that he fucking gave... This is what really pisses me off. Like, this is where I feel like he could burn in hell for all I fucking care. I'm pretty sure he gave, like, he was, like, a mutual friend, but I don't fucking like him because he did some weird shit to me, and I don't fuck with him. But, he gave that, like, our mutual friend, I'm pretty sure he gave our mutual friend, like, my new number, and I don't like that. You know that I don't like this fucking person, and I told you why. And then giving somebody my fucking new number when I'm not talking to you and I don't like this person. You got me fucked up. There's no way that this person would get my number from anybody else. Like, I know it was my old friend. And that really pissed me off when I saw who it was. I was like, oh, okay. Now I'm really never gonna talk to you again. That's just so, like, ugh. That's some other girl shit. This is what I'm using for foundation. And this is what I use for my concealer. All these products are either in my Amazon storefront or my TikTok showcase. Putting that out there because people ask and I'm like, do you have TikTok? Oh, like, it's just, they're all over the place. But if you ever have a question of anything that I use, it's either in my TikTok showcase or my Amazon storefront. My Amazon storefront is in my bio or in my link tree, whatever. And my eyebrows with an angle brush and then the It Cosmetics Brow Power. And then carve them out with my e.l.f. Halo. I'm gonna set my under eyes with this Carlsland powder. And just kind of like any other area. The e.l.f. Everyday Smoky Eye Palette. And go in with this like cream color all over my lid with a flat brush from MAC. I've had this brush since high school. And I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna dip my brush, I don't even know what this is called, but like this little brush into these two and go right into my lash line. Okay, I went a little like above my lash line. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this brown color right in here. I'm gonna bronze and do my blush and everything how I normally do it. This is where the real catfishing comes in. Just kidding. A little bit of this Airspun, like right here. All over my face with the Carl's Lynn pink powder. This is brown lip liner by NYX, Myth lipstick, and then this City Lips plumping lip gloss in pink nude. Finished look.